Okay, so I'm going to be doing task 5, performing a Kirby-Bauer disc sensitivity test. So I have my plate of my bacteria that's already grown, and I'm going to go ahead and transfer the about 5 colonies to the tube of sterile saline that I have already right here. I'm going to go ahead and get my loop. Come closer. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and grab a couple of those colonies right here. Okay, stinks. Go ahead and stick the organisms of the tube and mix it. Okay, so it looks like I got all the organisms, most of them in the tube. So I'm going to go ahead and compare the turbidity to my 0.5 McFarlane. It looks like it's pretty good in clearness. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and grab my sterile cotton swab. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and dip it in the tube and then get some of the excessive water out of there. Okay, and then I have my Wheeler Hinton agar plate. I'll go ahead and swab the whole plate. The student swab the entire surface of the plate. Okay, so I'm going to swab the whole plate. And then rotate it about 60 degrees. Swab the whole plate again. And then rotate it again 60 degrees. And rotate it again. Okay, and then go ahead okay, I will be right back. I have to go grab something. Alright, so I have all of my antibiotic discs right here, and I have my forceps, so I'm going to go ahead and heat those up. Okay, I'll go ahead and grab one of the discs. How do I get it out? Okay, and go ahead and place one. Okay. Do I have to heat it up every time? Okay. Grab my next one. Okay. And then the last one, which is right here. Okay, push that down. I'm going to go ahead and let it sit for about a minute. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to go ahead and put it in the incubator and then come back and check and see how. All right, so it's been about 17 hours since I put my Mueller hidden plate in the incubator. So as you can see, about these three had some reactions. So I'm going to go ahead and measure them. So this first one, which is a little bit of a yellow color, is I have my chart right here, is the nitrofurantoin one. So I'm going to go ahead and measure how big that is. So just from kind of measuring it, it looks like it's actually about 30 millimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and scribble that down. And so that means it is, if it is bigger than that, it is susceptible to that one. So I'm going to go ahead and measure the next one, which is the VA, which is the vancomycin. I'm going to measure that one. So it looks like it is about 20 millimeters, which from this chart, that means it is susceptible to that as well. And then go ahead and do this one right here, which is the cefoxtin. So I'm going to go ahead and measure that one as well. All right, and that one looks like it's about 15 millimeters. And then the last one, which is the oxacillin, which is this one. It looks like that was the one that didn't have any reaction to it. And just from kind of looking at it, it didn't look like it had a circle around it at all. If you can see that compared to these other three that have it. So I'm going to assume that means it is resistant to it then. So that was that, and I hope that's it.